What's up guys, it's Alex out here in Bloomington, Indiana, Premium and Exotic Wholesale. We're here with a 2023 Challenger SRT Hellcat with the rare drop top conversion. This isn't a factory option. This is a $26,000 option from Drop Top Customs themselves, and we're gonna go through that. It's a super, super unique collector's style car. 1,888 miles on this one, in brand new, obviously showroom condition, ready to go. Guys, let's jump in, take a look at the supercharger. Let's take a look at this badass drop top and everything this cool car has to offer. We're gonna pop the hood on this thing, take a look at the supercharger, and if we're lucky, Jackson is gonna mic up the supercharger later on, and we'll check that out. Underneath here, guys, check it out. 717 horsepower, supercharged Hemi, monster. You'll take notice the drop top customs. Those are the stabilizers that actually help when you take away the roof and the A-arms and all that kind of stuff. It goes in here and helps brace everything, especially with this much power. Ultra safe drop top on top. Most of you guys know that when you're looking at this car, you know it's a monster of an engine in here. Completely insane on these Hellcats. But take a look here. It is a last call. Sticker still on there, but last call edition here. And as we come around the side, we'll get a side view. This is the jailbreak edition as well. So last call, jailbreak, and then once again, drop top. Guys, this is one of our techs here at Premium and Exotic. This is Vinny. He's gonna jump in. Vinny, say hi to everybody.
Hey guys, I'm Vinny.
We're gonna have him jump in the car here, give us a quick little demonstration and show us how the drop top comes down. Vinny, just show it to him, buddy.
All right.
Guys, don't mind the beeping. It's gonna beep a little bit.
The car has to be on.
Jump in and show it.
One latch here. That's all there is to it.
Guys, that's super easy, super convenient for it to just fold straight back. And here in a second, we'll have him drop the rear windows here. You would never know this wasn't a factory option. It's that clean. It goes all the way down. It rests. Window goes all the way down. Then jump in there. We're gonna shut this door here. And that's how it looks, guys. Somebody rolling down the road. Super clean, super cool, one of one scenario. Very few of these made. This car's not seen rain, not seen water, none of that stuff. Super clean, ready to go. Like I say, guys, showroom condition. Then show them how it is to latch that thing in. One hook, roll the rear window up. Just like that, guys. All leather. It does have two red keys on this thing, one black key. So you've got the red keys. Those that know, you know. Has track package, all that kind of stuff inside. This thing runs, sounds amazing. Once again, Jackson, do your thing, dude. Show them what it sounds like. Show them what it looks like. Show them some cold starts. But guys, this thing's ready to go. We're gonna list it at $109,995. If you guys have any questions, 816-489-8298. Be more than happy to have old Vin here show this thing off and how it works. If you guys have any questions, 816-489-8298, $109,995. Guys, if you like the content, give us a like, share, subscribe, all the above. Give us a thumbs up and check out the website, guys, premiumandexotic.com. My email is alex@premiumandexotic.com. Check it out. Thanks, guys. We'll talk soon.